Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today's episode, in theme of Shark Week, we have Swedish fish. What are we going to do with these fishes? We're going to make a little punch bowl in Shark Week. Punching, sharking, fishing, drinking. Let's go. To make this little fun bowl, we're going to take some vodka. Some vodka. How much of that? I don't know. Perfect. Damn. We're going to take Canada Dry Ginger Ale Limonada. It's their new thing. I haven't even tried it, but we're going to do it. That's going to go in there. And we're going to fill that warlock up because that was a lot of vodka. Actually, maybe not. This is a big ass container. We're doing this because everybody wants to bring something fun to a party. And what's more fun than a community bowl of everybody shares alcohol? That's fun. I love that. We do that here. You guys should do that there. And now it's a little slimy color. And we're going to take our blue curacao. Watch what's going to happen here. Look at that. Crikey, look at the color. We're like in the Bahamas. And I'm talking like I'm from Australia / England / Kazakhstan. Look at that's a pretty cool color though, right? Okay, so.
Yes, it is.
What's the next step for this super easy bowl? Oh God, that went all over me. Look at this. Fishes! I love fishes because they're so delicious. Goldfish and which have a recall. Just saying. Look at that. Look at that. That's a cool... It looks like you're in the ocean. And it's all bubbly and fun. Super easy. Super tasty. Super fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe. Hit that like. Hit that share. Please leave your comment of your favorite shark / Swedish fish flavor. And we'll see you next time. Drunk Apron, out.